Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this class we will going to start drawing of activity diagrams in the unified modeling language. Especially these activity diagrams will be drawn in the rational row software. How it is happening in the rational row software, we have to see step-by-step execution of rational row software. Okay, start in the starting bar. So on the click the rational rows enterprise edition. So in this rational rows enterprise edition, so this is opening as like this. Okay, so see here. So go to the browse, and state machine diagram, create state machine diagram. So logical view, okay, see here two diagrams are available especially for the state machine. What are the two diagrams? First diagram is the activity diagram and the second diagram is the state chart diagram. These two belongs to state machine diagram. Whereas if you take interaction diagrams are of two types: sequence diagram and collaboration diagram. If you take this state machine diagram, that is activity diagram. So these state machine diagrams are also emphasizing that the dynamic behavior of a particular system. Okay, so here let we see activity diagram draw. Okay, activity diagram. Okay, select activity diagram, or otherwise you can select state chart diagram. Okay, which one you are selecting? Activity diagram. Select activity diagram. Okay, you can press. After selecting activity diagram, automatically which shows the activity diagram symbols. What are the activity diagram symbols available? All symbols which are available in this timeline. Okay, see here, as usual, note will be representing in activity diagram. This is anchor note to item. If you want, you use state. For state representation, you use this state representation, rounded corners. So we use activity, rounded edges we are using. Okay, so state is representing rounded corners, activity is representing rounded edges. This is activity, this is state. So we don't want state now, we will use state in the other classes. Okay, just we have to delete this activity. Okay, activity representation. So this is the starting of activity diagram. Okay, so what is this? We simply say that start state. This is end state. So this is for transition from one position to another position, transition. Okay, this is referential transition to self. So the horizontal synchronization, vertical synchronization. What are this? This is synchronization will be given to splitting the input into several parts, up to combining the input into several parts. So for that we have to take likewise. Okay, so this is the decision box. You see decision. This is decision. Horizontal synchronization you draw like this. Vertical synchronization you draw this like this. So this is swim lanes. Swim lane also you can perform. Swim lanes. If you want to swim lane, you use this swim lanes. So already I explained in the activity diagram swim lanes, all these. So swim lanes also create by this. So if you don't like, you simply select and delete swim lanes also. You simply select and delete the swim lanes. See like this, select, delete, select, delete, select, delete, each and every one is select. Now, so we move to use and draw the use case, that is the activity diagram for the library management system. Up to now we drawn use case diagram for library management system, and second one is class diagram for library management system, and third one is sequence diagram for library management system, fourth one, fifth one, that is collaboration, already we know. So according to our syllabus, so we move to create activity diagram for the library management system. Okay, first draw the activities for library management system. Inquiry about book, first activity. What is that activity name? This activity name is inquiry about the book. So you draw here inquiry about book, inquiry about book. Inquiry about book, inquiry about book, one activity. Here the inquiry about book will also gives checking level. Before going to start the activity diagram, every activity diagram can be starting with the symbol, a single start. Okay, from start to activity you will draw like this. Start to activity you can draw like this. After that, check availability for book is another activity. Check availability of book. Check availability of book is one activity. Check availability of book, and you arrange and you give the direction from top to down. Availability is checking. If the availability is complete, if the availability is a valid from here to here. It is not valid, you use the direction from here to here. You use direction from here to here. So if it is not valid, you can write some display message. What is that? Is a book not available. Book not available. Book not available. Book not space available. Just I will write again, book not available. Book not available. Just it is, if it is not checking validate user, then you can draw direction from here to here, and there you represent not available. What is the link? Link event is not available. Not available. Link is not available. If book is available, then we simply move to validate a member. We simply move to validating a member. For here is drawn validate member. Validate MEM. Validate member is simply done validate member. After that, validating a member, it is available. If the book is available, then you validate the member. Then you draw the direction from here to here. Here also you write some specification. Here also you write some specification, that is, it is available. It is available. Book is available. Okay. you specify this book is available, and automatically you move to check another validating member. Again you validate a member, again you use another decision, again you use another decision from validated member to here. Here also you can check two activities. This is one way and this is another way. This is one way and this is another way. Okay. Again also you can draw the diagram. If it is a valid, you write some valid member. If it is not valid, if it is write some other information also, not valid information also. So not valid, register member, check member of books issued to be member. It is a valid, not valid member. It is a not valid member, not valid. It is not valid member. Not valid member, apply. So not valid member, this is a valid member. Valid member, not valid member, just you have to give that is checking of register member. Just you give register member. So otherwise you give some information. So what it tells in the activity member, this activity, check number of books issued to member. Check number of books issued to member. Number of books issued to member. Check. My keyboard will be printed twice for some time. Okay. Issued. Check issue. If it is valid, if not valid member, you compulsory give the register. Okay. And next, so again the decision. You write the decision. Again you write the decision. So that is a decision from if it is a valid. So and also which has some some activity I need to draw. Here draw another activity. Here draw another activity. Okay. So here draw another activity. Here also valid going one position, not valid going another position. Not valid going another position. Not valid going another position. And represent you write at the above. It is something far better to draw. Okay. Arrange the diagram for look very book not issued, maximum quota exceeded. It is maximum quota QUA quota exceeded, maximum quota exceeded. You simply say maximum QUO quota exceeded, maximum quota exceeded. Sometimes M is placing many times from my keyboard. Maximum quota exceeded. If maximum quota is not exceeded, what you have to do? What you have to do? Not exceeded maximum quota. Just you have to issue book available. Then you have to issue book. Issue book. Then you have to give issue book. You have to issue book. Okay. And next, add member issue book. To issue book, you have to select. To issue book, you have to select from here to here. To issue book, you have to select here to here. Otherwise, you delete that. So use this link, corners links also, and you use delete also. Okay. For issuing a book, you represent from here. The direction, illegal connection. Here you take this register a member. You will take this register a member. Book issue register member. Add member or book and issue details. Update book status. Another two activities required. Another activity, add member, book and issue details. Add member or add book or issue details. Add member, add book or issue details. M is printing twice. The last activity. On the last activity here you represent. Last activity here you represent update book status. Update book status. Update book status. You give link here to here, and also give link here to here. And last one is end of the state. You give link here to here, or here to here, end of the state. This is the activity diagram for library management system. Library management system. If book not available, book is not available. What happened from here? To here to here. Book is not available. You simply draw book is not available. Draw here. Book is not available. Oh, it is going. Or otherwise, you represent end symbol to here to here. Book is not available. Book not available. Go to end. So this is the activity diagram drawing in a rational row system. See here, inquiry about book, check availability of book. So not available, it's not available. Book apply. Book not available, information will be printed. Book not available, available member check number of books he want to issued or he issued. So registered member, otherwise you register a member. So if it is valid, and you can maximum quota exceeded. What to do? The maximum quota exceeded. Book not issued. Book not issued. Okay, what is this? Book not issued. Book not issued. Information will be done. Book not issued information. So likewise, you have to draw the activity diagram for a particular system. Okay. So in this class, we studied about the activity diagram drawing in a Rational Row software with the different symbols. Okay. Then save this. How it saved for file, save, where it has to be saved. File name give .mpl format, file name giving library management system, activity diagram, save, library management system, activity diagram. Okay, thank you.